Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Verse 32. He is a perfect yogi who, knowing that the self dwells in all, sees the true equality of all living entities, both in their happiness and distress, O Arjuna.
This is universal vision. Not that God is sitting in your heart and not in the cat's heart or dog's heart or cow's heart. He is sitting everyone's heart. It is said Sarvabhutana. Sarvabhuta means all living entities. He is sitting in human heart, he is sitting in the ant's heart, he is sitting in the dog's heart, he is sitting in everyone's heart. But the cats and dogs, they cannot realize. That is the difference. But a human being, if he tries, if he follows the yoga system, Sankhya yoga system, Bhakti yoga system, then he is able to find out. That is the prerogative of this human form of life. And if we miss this opportunity, if we don't find out, if we don't identify our existence with the Lord, then we are missing this opportunity. This, after the evolutionary process, coming through 8,400,000 species of life, when we get this human form of life, if we miss this opportunity, then how much loss we suffer, we do not know. So we should be conscious about that. We should not miss this opportunity. We have got very nice body, human form of body, intelligence, and civilized life. We are not like animals. We can think peacefully. We have no so hard struggle for life as the animals. So we should utilize. That is the instruction in the Bhagavad-gita. Don't lose this opportunity. Utilize it properly. Go on.
Verse 33. Arjuna said, O Madhusudan, the system of yoga which you have summarized appears impractical and unendurable to me, for the mind is restless and unsteady.
Now here is the crucial test of yoga system. If you can concentrate your mind on the form of Vishnu, the process has been described previously, that you have to sit like this, you have to look like this, you have to live like this. So many things we have already discussed. But Arjuna says that it is very difficult for me. We have to understand this point. He says, O Madhusudana, the system of yoga which you have summarized, this system is called Ashtanga yoga. Ashtanga yoga, 8 different parts. Yam Niyam, first of all, controlling the senses, following the rules and regulations, then practicing the sitting posture, then exercising the breathing process, then concentrate your mind, then be absorbed in the form. There are 8 processes, Ashtanga yoga. So, Arjuna says, this Ashtanga yoga system is very difficult. He says that impractical appears, not impractical. For him, It is not impractical. If it is impractical, then Krishna would not have described and taken so much trouble. It is not impractical, but appears. One thing may be impractical for me, but practical for you. That is a different thing. But generally, this system is impractical for ordinary common man. Arjuna is representing himself as a common man, in the sense that he was not a mendicant, or he has renounced his family life, or he has no connection with his bread problem because he was on the war field to fight for the kingdom. So he is supposed to be an ordinary man. So for ordinary man who are engaged in these worldly activities for earning livelihood, family life, children, wife, or so many problems, it is not practical. That is the point here. It is practical for one who has already renounced everything, completely, in a secluded, sacred place, just lying in the hill or in the cave of a hill, alone, no public disturbance. So where is the opportunity for ordinary man, for us, especially in this age? Therefore this yoga system is not practical. It is admitted by Arjuna, who was a great warrior, and he was so advanced, he belonged to the royal family, and very expert in so many things. He says that it is impractical. Just try to understand. And what we are in comparison to Arjuna. If we try this system, it is not possible. Failure is sure. Go on, reading the purport.
The system of mysticism described by Lord Krishna to Arjuna is here being rejected by Arjuna.
Yes, rejected. Arjuna, yes.
Out of a feeling of inability. It is not possible for an ordinary man to leave home and go to a secluded place in the mountains or jungles to practice yoga in this age of Kali. The present age is characterized by bitter struggle for a life of short duration.
Yes. First of all, our duration life is very short. If you study the statistics, you can see your forefathers who live for 100 years or 80 years, 90 years now, 60 years, 70 years, people are dying. Gradually, it will decrease. In this age, the memory, the duration of life, mercifulness, so many things will decrease. That is the symptom of this age. Go on. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.